Hey Mason, I hope you're doing good. We sure missed you at school. I saw where you had asked about adding the link for the personal narrative to the Google Classroom. And I'll be honest with you, I can't figure out how to add yours to this drafting assignment. I'm sure there's a way, but Miss Raphel's just struggling to find it, okay? But I have another thing that you can do to access yours, okay? So I want you to go to your Google Classroom. Um, for Mr. Alwine, okay? Social studies. I still have you as a member of that. Classwork, and then go to drafting here, okay? So this is your assignment. It's going to be in this, okay? And so you do the assignment for this class, the online class, on that link from Mr. Alwine's class, okay? Please let me know if this doesn't make sense, okay? All right, bye.